Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Garden of Life is probably one of the most sought-after protein powders on the market, and for good reason, as it consistently delivers exceptional quality and effectiveness for a wide range of dietary needs and fitness goals, making it a top contender for anyone looking to enhance their nutrition and support their active lifestyle with a clean, plant-based, and highly digestible protein source. Number 5. Garden of Life Vegan Protein Powder, Vanilla. Fuel your body with Garden of Life's premium vegan protein powder. It's crafted with your wellness in mind. This formula is enhanced with BCAAs for muscle recovery and digestive enzymes for optimal nutrient absorption. Feel the difference it makes. Enjoy the benefits without the drawbacks. It's completely gluten and lactose-free, making it suitable for sensitive diets. Savor the smooth and delightful vanilla taste. It blends perfectly into your favorite shakes and smoothies. This 1.5 lb container provides a generous supply to support your active lifestyle. Make it a part of your daily health routine. What we like. This option is packed with probiotics and digestive enzymes to support gut health. It's also free from gluten and lactose, making it a great choice for sensitive stomachs. If you're looking for a protein boost that also aids digestion, this is the one for you. What people say. Not only do I feel more energized, I have 2 shakes a day now. My IBS is practically a thing of the past. The great thing about this product is that it contains probiotics, and these are different than the usual kind you see in pill form. I noticed it just after 2 days of use, so I discontinued using it to see if it was just placebo effect. Within 3 days, all my old gut issues came back, so I went back on this supplement and now I'm never going off. I put it into a tumbler with a mixer ball and vigorously shake, and it dissolves easily. If you like flavor though, it will mix easily into anything you want. It's a high-quality product and alleviates hunger and gives me energy every time I drink it. Number 4. Garden of Life Raw Organic Chocolate Meal Replacement Shake. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition with our Organic Meal Replacement Shake. It's a delicious way to get a complete, raw, and organic boost. Indulge in the decadent taste of chocolate, knowing you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients. This shake is crafted for your well-being. Experience the benefits of pea protein, sprouts, and greens in every serving. It's a comprehensive nutritional profile designed to support your active lifestyle. We've added probiotics to aid digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. Feel good from the inside out with this thoughtfully created formula. Enjoy a satisfying meal replacement that's completely dairy-free. It's the perfect choice for those seeking a clean and effective nutritional supplement. With 28 servings per container, you have a convenient and nourishing option ready whenever you need it. Make every meal count towards your health goals. What we like. This is a comprehensive meal replacement shake, offering more than just protein. It's made with raw, organic ingredients including greens and sprouts for added nutrition. If you need a convenient and nutrient-dense meal on the go, this is an excellent alternative to a traditional meal. What people say. Another reason I love this stuff. My hair has almost quit falling out by adding this to my diet. I have gastroparesis and am having issues with absorbing nutrients from my food. This seems to have done the trick. My skin looks 100% better too. I was very washed out looking and now I am back to looking like I used to. The taste reminds me of chocolate cereals. Like Cocoa Krispies or Chocolate Chex, but less sweet. The shake leaves me full for 3.5 to 4 hours, and I usually feel more alert after my first few sips. Using Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal has given me a quick, filling option on busy days without feeling heavy. The texture blends smoothly when I use a blender, and the flavor is mild enough to mix with fruit or almond milk. I appreciate that it keeps me full for a while, making it a reliable meal replacement when I'm short on time. Number 3. Garden of Life Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition. Our organic vegan protein is crafted to support your active lifestyle. Packed with probiotics and BCAAs, it's designed for optimal absorption and muscle recovery. You can trust its NSF-certified purity. Enjoy a clean, wholesome supplement that aligns with your health goals. It's free from gluten and genetically modified organisms. Indulge in the smooth, satisfying taste of vanilla. It blends perfectly into your favorite shakes and smoothies. With 19 servings per container, it's the convenient choice for your daily protein needs. Elevate your fitness journey with every scoop. What we like. This product is NSF certified for sport, ensuring it's free from banned substances and tested for quality. It's also rich in BCAAs, which are crucial for muscle recovery. If you're an athlete or serious about your fitness and need a trusted, high-performance vegan protein, consider this option. What people say. This protein is also very transparent with its amino acid profile. It's not hidden like some brands do. The quality. It has several certifications to verify how clean it is. That gives me peace of mind and confidence, knowing I can trust the product. It gives a good punch of protein, and when I eat a shake made with this, and add on cereal or toast, I stay full all morning. Number 2. Garden of Life Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition with our organic vegan protein powder. It's crafted to support your active lifestyle and overall well-being. Experience a clean and effective protein source derived entirely from plants. This formula is designed for optimal absorption and utilization by your body. We've enhanced this blend with beneficial probiotics and digestive enzymes. This helps to support a healthy gut and improve nutrient absorption. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and lactose-free. It's the clean choice for your health and fitness goals. Packed with essential amino acids, including BCAAs, it aids in muscle repair and growth. Recover faster and build lean muscle effectively. Enjoy its smooth taste and mixability in your favorite shakes or recipes. It's a delicious way to boost your daily protein intake. What we like. This vegan protein powder is formulated with probiotics and enzymes for digestive support. It's non-GMO and gluten-free, catering to those with dietary restrictions. If you prioritize plant-based nutrition and a clean ingredient profile, this is a solid choice for your daily protein intake. What people say. Not only do I feel more energized, I have 2 shakes a day now. My IBS is practically a thing of the past. The great thing about this product is that it contains probiotics, and these are different than the usual kind you see in pill form. I noticed it just after 2 days of use, so I discontinued using it to see if it was just placebo effect. Within 3 days, all my old gut issues came back, so I went back on this supplement and now I'm never going off. I do notice I recover much quicker from training when I take this. I love the ingredients in this product, and as I am not a fan of animal-based protein products, this ticks all my boxes. Number 1. Garden of Life Vegan Protein Chocolate. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition with our delicious chocolate vegan protein powder. It's crafted to support your active lifestyle and overall well-being. Get a complete amino acid profile with this blend, designed for optimal muscle recovery and growth. It's the perfect addition to your post-workout routine. We've included probiotics and digestive enzymes to help your body absorb nutrients effectively. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable experience with every serving. You can feel good about what you're consuming. This formula is gluten-free, lactose-free, and made with only the best vegan ingredients. Indulge in the rich, satisfying taste of chocolate without any artificial sweeteners or flavors. It's a treat your taste buds will love. This 1.5 lb container provides plenty of servings to keep you going. Easily mix it into shakes, smoothies, or your favorite recipes. What we like. Enjoy a delicious chocolate flavor while getting your protein in with this option. It includes digestive enzymes to help you absorb nutrients effectively and is free from gluten and lactose. If you're a chocolate lover seeking a gut-friendly vegan protein, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Not only do I feel more energized, I have 2 shakes a day now. My IBS is practically a thing of the past. The great thing about this product is that it contains probiotics, and these are different than the usual kind you see in pill form. I noticed it just after 2 days of use, so I discontinued using it to see if it was just placebo effect. Within 3 days, all my old gut issues came back, so I went back on this supplement and now I'm never going off. I put it into a tumbler with a mixer ball and vigorously shake, and it dissolves easily. If you like flavor though, it will mix easily into anything you want. It's a high-quality product and alleviates hunger and gives me energy every time I drink it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.